Hey there, it's Ryan Long with the Sue Long Realty Group at Keller Williams coming to you for our August 2024 real estate market update, telling you what is going up with the real estate market here in the Willamette Valley. Let's dive into the numbers here. We're looking at Linn, Benton, Marion, and Polk County, and we're also specifically looking at homes under half an acre and residential property. So across those four counties in the Willamette Valley, we've got a median sales price of $437,000. That is about even with a year ago, up 1%, up 0.5% month over month. So that's what these are looking at, and this is the trend over the past year. Closed sales were up just a tad from a year ago, and this is looking at the closings in July. So we're looking a month back. Median days on market hasn't changed much. Now, the list price received did go up. This is partly because we were at the height of the summer. Homes going under contract in June, closing in July. Again, we're kind of looking back a month or two with some of these numbers. I think it's really interesting. So we see demand, we see homes we're selling for almost exactly what they were listed for, or price reductions too. Sold price per square foot was up month over month and year over year. That is in line with what we've been seeing nationally, up a couple percent. Listings in the area, month over month and year over year, we've had a pretty good increase, 20% plus in the Willamette Valley. Now let's look at the markets that I specifically and our team specifically works in a little bit closer. The first is Corvallis. So let's take a look at this. There's some big numbers on here actually, which surprised me a little bit. The median sales price is $525,000. That is down 10% month over month. Now, we kind of look at that so when we look at the market and what home values are doing, we look at that as well as the sold price per square foot. Now, the sold price per square foot is 343. And so that's up 12.3%. I think this month what happened is that in July we had a much higher percentage of homes with smaller square footage, maybe those traditional starter family homes sell, and that brought both our sold price per square foot up and our median sales price down considerably. I wouldn't be surprised if we see that rebound back to that 550 number that we've been seeing fairly consistently over the past year. So again, I don't think this is a huge indicator of anything major. List price received is still showing strong interest from buyers, 101%. Month supply of inventory is particularly low. New listings, while we're up year over year, we're down month over month. So we did see a pretty good drop. Let's take a look at Albany now. So we're in Albany. Median sales price is roughly even down a little bit. Sold price per square foot, though, is up. So again, when we look at those things together, not a huge change overall in value. Months of inventory is low. List price received high, and their inventory is staying pretty even, whereas nationally we've been seeing inventory numbers go up. So again, pretty tight inventory. Similar story in Lebanon. Sales price down slightly month over month, but up year over year. We've got strong list price to sales price ratios. Sold price per square foot zoomed up. So they had a lot of smaller homes potentially, higher price per square foot sell, even though their median sales price didn't change that much. Their inventory actually went up quite a bit, but overall month supply has not gone very far. This has been your August 2024 market update. For more information on what this means for you and your home, please don't hesitate. Give us a call. We'd be happy to give you a market analysis on your property and what the values would be in our current market. Thanks so much for tuning in.